Hi, I'm Doni Fernianto, the Indonesia In-Country Manager for Griffith University in Queensland, Australia. So for many years, IDP has helped many international students achieve their dreams of living and studying overseas. So we know for sure that IDP counselors are well known to be very professionals, knowledgeable, friendly, and approachable. So IDP will always ensure to make their students' journey to study overseas run smoothly.
Hi everyone, my name is Edwina. I'm from University of York. Today I'm going to share with you about some of the challenges applicants face when they are trying to apply to a university, especially for postgraduate top program. Now, for students, sometimes they will actually wondering about whether their qualification actually meet the program they want to apply for, and also the English requirement, and how many references they need to submit, and what is the requirement for the personal statement. Now, when they are having all of these, then sometimes they will not be able to really apply to the university of their choice. However, with the FastLane features, the student can actually consider and also to just try out, like to say whether these qualification will be able to meet the programs of their choice and the university of their choice. And then once they have actually have them matched, they can actually put an application, and normally the offer itself is going to be 2 to 3 times faster when they go through the FastLane application.
Hi everyone, my name is Sisi. I am from the University of Liverpool. If I'm given this question, why IDP, I will give you 3 main answers. The first one, IDP has extensive years of helping Indonesian students mapping and preparing their study abroad plan. So they are also one of the education consultant pioneers in Indonesia. The second one is accessibility. The large network that IDP has is very outstanding. The next IDP office you can think of is probably next door to your office. They are everywhere throughout Jakarta, all around Indonesia, so it's not difficult to find IDP office and start your consultation. And lastly, the University of Liverpool have actually about 37 subjects that listed under IDP FastLane. IDP FastLane is the application method to university, but simplified and guaranteed will give you seamless experience. After you apply to IDP through FastLane, you will receive offer from us and you will hear back from us. So easy and just simplify, help you to move forward to the next step of your application process. So yeah, don't think too long. If you need help from an education consultant, go with IDP, talk with their counselors. They are very committed, reliable, helpful. Make your study abroad dream come true with IDP.
Hi, I'm Beatrice from Manchester Metropolitan University. Manchester Met is a modern university that has grown over the years to become one of the largest universities in the UK. Manchester Met partners with IDP on the FastLane service, where your application will be prioritized and you will actually receive quicker turnaround on your application. So if you would like to have an assessment on your eligibility to study at Manchester Met, please reach out to IDP for an assessment through FastLane service.
Halo teman-teman, nama saya Idlan Syarif Suryo Sutomo. Saya ingin ke Australia. Jurusan yang saya ingin ambil adalah hubungan internasional. Pertama-tama saya mendapatkan informasi mengenai kampus yang ingin saya tuju, terus apa aja yang mereka berikan kepada saya, terus cara masuknya, dan kurang lebih apa aja sih yang harus saya siapin gitu. Itu aja sih.
Perkenalkan, aku Syifa. Aku lulusan dari Telkom University, jurusan Desain Interior.
Perkenalkan, aku Agis dari Telkom University juga, jurusan Desain Interior. Tadi di luar negeri itu karena aku pengen memperluas networking. Terus juga karena aku memilih jurusan entrepreneurship, aku pengen untuk lebih mengglobal lagi bisnis aku supaya lebih besar.
Tadi selama di dalam sih kita ada dapat banyak informasi juga ya. Kayak tadi sempat ke Manchester Metropolitan, itu dijelasin soal jurusan yang memang kita udah interest sebelumnya. Terus juga dapat info untuk transportasi yang ada di sekitar universitas itu seperti apa gitu.
Kenalkan, nama saya Rizky Yudo, biasa dipanggil Yudo. Target studi saya itu ke UK. Edu Fair dari IDP ini sebenarnya didapat dari teman, ya. Jadi teman tahu kalau saya sama beberapa teman-teman yang lain itu lagi pengen study abroad, dan akhirnya direkomendasikan untuk datang, dan ya alhamdulillah cukup ramai sih, ternyata menarik acaranya. Alasan saya untuk ke luar negeri yang paling pertama, karena tujuan saya ke UK tentu mau nonton Liga Inggris. Nah, terus yang berikutnya adalah untuk memperluas jaringan. Karena dengan kita ke luar negeri, kita bisa kenal banyak orang dari beberapa negara. Kan kalau di Indonesia doang paling mentok-mentok ya teman-teman ASEAN ya. Tapi kalau kita ke Inggris, ke New Zealand, ke US bahkan, itu bisa ketemu orang-orang lintas benua bahkan, dan kita bisa belajar banyak dari mereka.
Halo teman-teman, perkenalkan nama aku Adelia Afifatu Zahra. Tujuan negara studi aku itu di Australia, dan aku pengen jurusan Public Relation nih. Aku tahu acara ini dari Instagram IDP sendiri, dan juga ada ajakan dari teman lewat WhatsApp. Aku dapat info banyak banget mungkin tentang apa saja jurusan-jurusan yang disediakan di beberapa university yang tadi di stand-standnya. Agak menarik untuk nanti aku pengen lanjut ke sana gitu.